ready.
Okay, hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'll be doing an unboxing, and as you can see, maybe you saw it from my last video I just put up, a loadout video, that I'm back on YouTube. I started airsofting again. I had like a break for almost a year or something, where I didn't go airsofting at all, but now I'm back again. I just bought a hell of a ton of gear, you know. So let's just dive right into it. This first packet here, the small one, is from Hotball Shop. It's called Hotball Shop, the DK. I'll put a link to all this shit. I'll get in the boxes as well, at the websites for it, in the description box below, so you can find it there. But Hotball Shop is a Danish company. So let's go ahead here. I'm sorry, I don't have this. I couldn't even find a fucking knife, so I have to use this children's scissor or whatever. I'm not gonna go far with this shit, man. Okay, so what do we got here? Don't need that. Here I have some combat pads in multicam with the knee pads in. I don't know what the brand though, Invader Gear is called. So now you know, but you know, I didn't know. I didn't care at all. Well, combat pads here. Here you got it. Next up, we have this big box here from Taiwan Gun. And this one here was over $700 US, but I, paid it in euros. But over $700 in this box here, so let's hope it's worth it. Okay, so here we go. Where should I start? So I'll start here. This is a rifle case. I don't know if you want to know the brands or anything. This one here, nah, I don't want to go over the brands. This is just a rifle case or whatever. I can have like 2 rifles in this, I think. Put it to the side. In here I have a vest, what's it called? Just fucking forgot. I always forget the brands. Always. But it's the JPC here in Coyote Brown, with a lot of pouches to it and all that. There's a small water bladder, like camelback. There's some magazine pouches to the front of the vest. This here, I think these are like face protection, like black veils or whatever you can call it. Here you got medical shears. The next thing in the box is a battery, and I think it's 9.6 or it's 8.4 volt, but it's for a gun in the box. Actually, I don't know what it is. Oh, 8.4 volt, 1600 milliamp. Here you have a MICH2001 with the rails on and the NVG mount in front. Oh, it's just that. Next up, you have 3 pairs of shooting glasses. Here you have a LiPo battery and 11.1 LiPo. Here's this, like, what is it? Like a wristband or whatever you call it, with a paracord in it. I think it's a parachute paracord or something. It's like a survival thing, you know. Next thing is a pair of impact gloves. Here is a PEC 15 replica for having batteries and stuff in there. I'm gonna go for the magazines from the last video, so you won't know what guns I have in this box. I have 3 guns, so you know. Here's a vertical grip. another LiPo, and another LiPo. You saw that? Okay, I have BBs here, 2,000 each, I think. Yeah, 2,000. So 20,000 BBs it is. Here I have a small silencer, and I think I have to go for the mags now. Okay, here I have like a double high cap mag for MP5, and I have AK-74 magazines here, 6 of them, mid caps. Okay, now we go for the guns. So this is what all you guys been waiting for. We have the Galaxy MP5K. This is out of the box. You don't want this shit. Here you have the gun. I actually had this gun beforehand, but I sold it, and now I have it again because I really like the gun. Next up here we have APS. It's the UAR, Urban Assault Rifle, in black. It should be in black, I hope so. How does this box work? I think it's like this one. Sorry if this gets a bit out of screen or something. So here we have the bat ball, the UAR by APS. Never had this before, never seen it before, never held it before, but it seems pretty solid and pretty nice. Looking forward to trying it out in games. And last but not least, let's get this bad boy here out of the box. It's the SEMA 040i, I think, or 40L. It's basically a AK-74U with a wrist in the front. Let's see, what is it? Adjustable stock there's in it as well. Here you have it. This is the one. I've really been waiting for this one. Oh yeah, it feels solid, nice. What? Oh yeah, like that. Oh, it feels nice and sturdy. Okay guys, so that was my unboxing video. $700 plus $700 unboxing. Sorry for that. I really hope you liked the video, and I'm really excited for all this stuff, and I'm gonna try it out this weekend here, so look forward to more videos, guys. See ya.